Hi friends, welcome to channel DintoyKids. Today we learn letter O 30 words.
O is for orange, orange. O is for octagon, octagon. O is for octopus, octopus. O is for owl, owl. O is for ox, ox. O is for ostrich, ostrich. O is for oval, oval. O is for oil, oil. O is for onion, onion. O is for or. O is for oven, oven. O is for olives, olives. O is for omnivore, omnivore. O is for omelette, omelette. O is for oatmeal, oatmeal. O is for odd numbers, odd numbers. O is for overcoat, overcoat. O is for origami, origami. O is for orchid, orchid. O is for orangutan, orangutan. O is for orca, orca. O is for orbit, orbit. O is for one, one. O is for off, off. O is for on, on. O is for oak, oak. O is for otter, otter. O is for okapi, okapi. O is for opera, opera. O is for ocean, ocean.